How to use EBT or Snap on Walmart online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to use EBT card or Snap on Walmart online. So if you're also using browser for Walmart, first thing what you want to do is just head over to search bar and simply searching for walmart.com/EBT. So once you head over to this site, you should land on this page over here. As you can see, I've already logged in over here, and just make sure you have successfully signed into your account already. So now what you need to do next is you can just make sure to add or link a EBT card to your Walmart account to use the funds online. So you can just tap on this button over here, or you can also go through the account settings. You can see I have not signed in right now, so you just have to provide all of your details. And once you successfully signed into your account, you can basically add all of your card, that is your EBT card, online over here. And once you add your card as a payment method to your Walmart account, then you are shopping for eligible Snap items, and you can select your EBT card as the payment method during the checkout. So whenever you are going for the checkout, you can just add your EBT card information, including the card number and the name on the card, and you may need to verify your card, which may involve a small temporary charge that will be refunded. You can see you can also view the EBT eligible items as you shop. As I mentioned earlier, you just have to link your card, and just like that you should be able to use EBT card and on any Snap products. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.